Hey, BarkaBarka fans. I just wanted to reach out to you guys today for Blackout Day 2020 and tell you about a Black-owned charity that's very near and dear to me. And this Black-owned charity is created by my son, Juliano Tucker. This part's a little bit difficult, and I don't want to record this again, and I've been recording this. I've had quite a few already. Let's just say I'm recorded out. So I'm going to read this part. I'm going to reach back here and get it. Basically, this would be easier just to say this one. Roots for Troops was created by my son, Juliano, after my youngest son, Amon, passed away recently at the age of 25. And if you don't know, Amon had a seizure in his sleep. Juliano has set up these self-watering, low-maintenance, portable gardening system boxes that he builds and donates to military veterans to reduce the risk of suicide that plagues our soldiers. Click the link below to check out Roots for Troops, to learn more and donate if you like. And if nothing else, words of encouragement would be great. Also, you can go to BarkaBarka.com troops, and that should forward you to the GoFundMe link, and we'll go from there. Thank you so much for listening.